Hi, I am Sam. I am studying electronics engineering at Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, and my major is electronics and robotics, and my hobbies are to shoot the cinematic videos and video editings and photography. I enjoy doing that electronics experiments. That's why I wanted to become an electronics scientist. So in this college, I am exploring that lots of things like microcontroller labs and Texas labs and doing lots of projects. Whatever they are teaching me in a classes, I try to make something new from that concept. Like I was just studying that transistor, so from that I made that project called current detector, and in a chapter 5 they teach it that operational amplifier. From that topic I made it that operational amplifier called greater. From small change in a circuit we can convert that into that differentiator and also in a buffer. In a first semester I was participated in that first year project exhibition at physics department, where we got it that first rank. After that I got it that I start doing that another projects of mine like cube satellite. Actually that drone is one of my favorite gadgets, so I am trying to add some new features like controlling your drone through your mind and delivering the food and medicines in an emergency condition. In the first semester I studied the communication chapter. From that I made it that SAM antenna. SAM antenna is a simple antenna which consists of 3 parts. That upper part of this antenna is the helical part and parabolic part, and lower part of this antenna is a monopole. This time I am going to use that antenna to a Starlink project. A Starlink is a project which provides that internet to the all over globe in Earth using the satellites. So it's a project of Elon Musk. I wanted to work with him, so I focused about how I can make something and collab with that Elon Musk. So that antenna we can use at that a Starlink project. A Starlink antenna, lower part of antenna will be that SAM antenna, and upper part will be the same antenna which they are using to establish the communication between the from surface to the satellite in our space. So using that antenna we can attract that more and more electromagnetic waves nearby, comes nearby. So every electromagnetic waves coming that nearby it can attract, and every electromagnetic wave it can attract and totally connected to the Starlink antenna.